Welcome to this Gen AI technology demo from Cloverleaf Analytics, the leader in insurance intelligence solutions. In the next 15 minutes, we'll explore how our latest addition to our platform can transform your business. Since 2015, we have been a pioneer of insurance-centric analytics and AI solutions. Cloverleaf is committed to strategically leveraging emerging technologies like AI, NLP, and ML for the benefit of insurers and the insured. Today, P&C insurers around the world are faced with the daunting challenge of needing to derive meaningful insights from massive amounts of data from across their entire business. This is regardless of where that data lives, in addition to having a shortage of skilled employees and technological resources that can provide valuable insights. Cloverleaf is moving beyond the buzz and excitement about Gen AI by delivering concrete business benefits for carriers regardless of their size and resources with the launch of Cloverleaf Speech Insights. Let's dive in. Create a dashboard with multiple charts that would be useful to a claim manager to oversee the claims department.
Sure, I'll get right to it. This dashboard provides an overview of the claims department, including the number of claims, total loss paid, and loss reserves, to help the claim manager monitor performance and identify trends.
Now that it's created the dashboard, let's view it and see how it looks. I'm going to turn off the evaluation years so that we get all periods and we can get more analysis in our information. As we can see, we've got our loss reserves, our loss paid, our DCC paid, and our claim count, as well as we have some claim analysis here that we can scroll through and see what's going on with our claims. Create analysis evaluating loss paid over country and state.
I'll be right back, just fetching it. This dashboard provides an analysis of loss paid distributed over different countries and states.
Now that it's created it, let's take a look at it. I'm going to turn off the country so that we can see everything. And so now we can see country and state. In this case, the data only has the United States, and we can see the concentration of losses paid, red being the lowest, green being the highest. Of course, we can change that and flip the colors the opposite direction. Create several charts showing statistical analysis of loss reserves over evaluation month, year, and line of business.
I'll get back to you shortly. Just assessing the request. This dashboard provides a statistical analysis of loss reserves across different time periods and lines of business.
Now that it's completed the dashboard, let's take a look. I'm going to turn off the evaluation date so that we can see multiple periods of time, and let the updated AI statistical analysis here show us what the insights are into the data. As we can see here, the over time, and this looks like they've reversed it. It started in 2013 and has increased over time to 2019. That's the amount of data we have in the system. And then evaluating it by month, you can see that in December looks to be the highest month for reserve changes. And then over here, as we get down to January, it's the lowest. Let's do some more analysis by identifying the top 10 adjusters by loss paid and see what kind of statistical analysis we get. Create charts analyzing the top 10 adjusters by loss paid.
Getting something together now. This dashboard displays the top 10 adjusters ranked by the total loss paid amount.
As we continue to extend our dashboards, there's other AI capabilities for being able to dress it up. In particular, this case, we're going to look at AI images. So I can generate a background AI non-royalty image that I can use for my dashboard. In this case, this is a claims dashboard with mostly auto claims. So I would like to see a nice blue car, which is the color of our company, as a background. Blue car driving down the road on a sunny day. And there we go, a blue car driving down the road. Now all I have to do is send it to the back, and we have our nice background. And now if we go and view our dashboard, we have a beautiful background, we have our insights, we have all of our details. I'm going to turn off the filter so that I can see all periods of time, and we can see our results. And there we have it. I would probably do maybe a little tweaking and turn my analysis here to black or white so that it shows up. Very easy to do, but you have an idea how we can now have a royalty-free background image that would satisfy making our dashboards a little bit fancier. In this video, we're going to do a claims calculation similar to the underwriting side where we calculated earned premium using Python. Here we're going to use Python to create a loss triangle. We're doing this in Python. We could similarly do it in R if you're more comfortable in that environment. First, I'm going to pull up my prompt, and now I'm going to ask ChatGPT, calculate a loss triangle using loss paid. And now we can see we have our code along with our comments describing exactly how this formula works. Grouping by year to calculate the sum of the loss paid by year, then create a data frame with the years and the indexes, and then do a diagonal with the loss paid amounts for each year. And basically what they're doing is determining the development periods to create your loss triangle. Again, we can use the explain feature and have ChatGPT explain to us how this calculation works in more detail than just the comments in the code. And now we can see it's outlined it saying calculate the total loss paid for each year, creating a loss triangle data frame, filling the diagonal of the data frame, calculating cumulative losses paid each year, and then returning the loss triangle. So you can read the details and you get everything you need to know whether this is calculating properly for you or not. When it's good to go, you can apply it, and now you push your data through and it'll create a loss triangle for you. Show me a distribution of written premium and earned premium by country and state.
On it now. I need a moment. This distribution shows the comparison of written and earned premiums across different countries and states.
Now we can see we have the concentration of written premium in each of the states. Let's go ahead and modify this and add our distribution of loss paid. Add a chart showing the distribution of loss paid.
I'm processing your request. Coming right up. This chart displays the distribution of loss paid across various countries and states.
In this brief video, we're going to show how you can calculate an underwriting value using Python. And in this case, we're going to have ChatGPT write that code for us and then explain it to us. We can also use R, but for this demonstration, I'm simply going to use Python. So first, I'm going to click on our ChatGPT button to generate our Python code. And now I'm going to describe what I'm looking for. So calculate earned premium using the daily method. Now simply hit enter. ChatGPT is now digesting what we're asking for and writing the Python code. In a few seconds it will come up. It will have the actual code along with comments describing what's going on. And so here we can see how this works. Now let's say that I don't understand Python, so I can simply come up and say click this explain icon. And now ChatGPT is going to explain the code to me and how it works. So here you can see it tells me that this is going to perform a calculation using dates on the data frame, that it's using the datetime module, it's creating a function, and then it's calculating the number of days using the policy start date and the end date is policy days. Then it calculates the earned premium by multiplying the total premium by the ratio of the policy days to 365, assuming there's 365 days in the year. So this really does actually explain exactly how earned premium on the daily method works. All I need to do is close this, apply my formula, and now I can pass my data through and calculate earned premium on the fly. Create multiple charts explaining trends, regression lines, forecasting, and statistics of written premium over evaluation month year.
I'll get back to you shortly, just assessing the request. This dashboard provides visual insights into the trends, regression analysis, and a 6-month forecast of written premium over time.
Now that our dashboard is complete, let's view it. And it's only showing us February of 2013, so let's turn off our filter and see what it provides. Here we can see our forecasted written premium with our upper and lower bounds. Down here we see our written premium over time with a regression line, so you can see that it's slightly going on a downward trend. And over here we have a summary of our analysis on written premium, describing that there's 21 outliers, and one of them being December 2019, October 2014, August 2013, and so on. Forecast 2 years of written premium by evaluation years and lines of business. Summarize your findings.
This forecast provides an estimation of the written premium for the next 2 years, segmented by evaluation years and lines of business.
Now that it's created our dashboard, let's actually visualize it. So I've executed our dashboard, it's coming up. And what I'm going to do, it provided 2 different filters. I'm going to actually turn those filters off, and what you'll see is these dynamic data insights here will change. So I'm going to turn off the evaluation year, and I'm going to turn off the line of business. So now, as we can see down here, we've got our years. The sample data we have goes to 2019, and now we've got forecasting, and it actually even forecasted it out several years. And now you can see it's updated the summarization, and it's telling us that, commercial property and personal automobile account for 24% and 26% respectively of the written premium. And it goes on to explain details and information that it's actually identifying within the data. Any user of the Cloverleaf Insurance Intelligence platform can quickly generate their desired data and/or visualization requests using only their voice, and the Gen AI technology will automatically render high-quality results. With speech insights, Cloverleaf is making it much easier for any carrier or MGA employee to inspect what you expect simply by speaking. What used to take carriers days, if not longer, can now be done in seconds by anyone who understands how to speak to their favorite smartphone or smart home AI voice assistant. This is the next step in Cloverleaf's evolution in empowering insurers to gain more value from their data. Contact Cloverleaf for a more detailed demo today. This concludes our demo. Thank you for your time. We look forward to hearing from you soon.